Hey, everyone who hasn't dreamt of living in Dubai, the luxurious lifestyle, the stunning architecture, those incredible islands. But here's the thing. Dubai isn't just about living large, it's also one of the hottest real estate markets on the planet. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to become a real estate agent in Dubai step by step. Buckle up because things are about to get exciting. Now you might be thinking, why Dubai? Well, let me break it down for you. First off, the sheer volume of wealth here is insane. We're talking about a global hub attracting investors, entrepreneurs, and high net worth individuals from every corner of the world. That translates into a constant demand for luxury villas, high-rise apartments, and commercial properties. Dubai's government is pro-business, making it relatively straightforward to set up shop and start closing deals. And did I mention the commissions? Let's just say that in Dubai, hard work in real estate can lead to some seriously life-changing income. So, if you're looking for a market with massive earning potential, a dynamic environment, and the opportunity to work with some of the most exclusive properties in the world, Dubai is the place to be. Alright, so you're ready to conquer the Dubai real estate scene, but before you start printing those business cards, let's make sure you tick all the boxes. First things first, you need to be at least 21 years old. Next up, and this is crucial, you'll need a valid UAE residency or employment visa. Now let's talk about character. Dubai takes safety and security seriously, so you'll need a good conduct certificate from Dubai Police. And finally, communication is key, so fluency in English is a must. Oh, and a little bonus tip, learning some Arabic can give you a serious edge in this market. Think of it as an investment in your future success. Okay, so you've got the basics covered. Now it's time to dive into the nitty-gritty of Dubai real estate. That's where the RERA real estate training course comes in. RERA stands for the Real Estate Regulatory Agency, the big dogs who oversee everything real estate in Dubai. This course is jam-packed with everything you need to know, from UAE real estate laws and regulations to ethics in property dealings. They'll teach you how to analyze the market like a pro, craft killer sales strategies, and navigate the ins and outs of property registration and transactions. The course fee ranges from AED 6,000 to AED 10,000 depending on the provider and format. Plus, it's an investment in your future earning potential, and we all know that in Dubai, the sky's the limit. Alright, you've put in the work, attended the RERA real estate training course, and now it's time to put your knowledge to the test. I'm talking about the RERA exam, the final hurdle standing between you and your dream career in Dubai real estate. This isn't about tricking you, it's about making sure you've got the chops to represent clients and close deals with confidence. The exam itself is multiple choice and covers everything you learned in the training course, from real estate laws and transaction procedures to ethical practices. The passing score? You're aiming for at least 75%. My advice? Don't cram. Take your time to review the training materials thoroughly. There are also tons of practice tests available online and through the DREI. The exam fee itself is pretty reasonable, ranging from AED 320 to AED 520. And hey, if you don't pass on the first try, no worries. You can retake the exam after a short waiting period. So take a deep breath, study hard, and go crush that exam. Your future self will thank you. Congratulations, you aced the RERA exam. Now it's time to talk about the real MVPs of Dubai real estate, the brokerages. You see, to operate as a licensed real estate agent in Dubai, you need to be sponsored by a RERA-registered brokerage. Think of them as your real estate family, your support system, your key to unlocking those high-ticket deals. But finding the right brokerage is like finding the perfect business partner. It's a big decision, so let's break down how to choose one that aligns with your goals. First and foremost, look for reputable firms with a strong market presence. You want a brokerage with a proven track record of success, a solid network, and a reputation for closing deals. Next, make sure they provide comprehensive training, marketing, and networking support. Remember, you're not just joining a company, you're investing in your career. Most brokerages in Dubai offer a 5 to 7% commission split per deal, which is pretty darn good. But make sure you understand their commission structure up front, including any fees or deductions. Take your time, research different brokerages, and don't be afraid to ask questions during interviews. Finding the right brokerage can make or break your real estate career in Dubai, so choose wisely. Alright, you've put in the work, aced the exam, found your dream brokerage, it's time for the final push. That's right, it's time to apply for your official RERA license, the golden ticket that allows you to legally operate as a real estate agent in Dubai. First, gather your documents. You'll need your RERA course completion certificate, a copy of your passport and residency or employment visa, that all-important sponsorship letter from your brokerage, your good conduct certificate, and some passport-sized photos. Once you have everything, it's time to head over to the Dubai Land Department portal. They've made the entire application process digital, which is a lifesaver. You'll create an account, fill out the online application form, upload your documents, and pay the license fee. Speaking of fees, expect to shell out around AED 5,000 to AED 10,000 depending on your license type. The processing time for your RERA license usually takes around 2 to 4 weeks. Use this time to network, familiarize yourself with your brokerage's systems, and get ready to hit the ground running. Trust me, the moment you receive that license in your hands, it'll all be worth it. Congrats, you're officially a licensed real estate agent in Dubai. But the journey doesn't stop there. Now it's time to build your brand, establish your presence, and become the go-to agent in this competitive market. Think about it. Dubai is a global hub, and people here are all about image and reputation. So, how do you stand out from the crowd? First things first, LinkedIn. Create a professional profile that screams expert. Highlight your skills, experience, and knowledge of the Dubai market. Next up, social media is your best friend. Instagram, Facebook, even TikTok. Use them to showcase stunning property listings, share market insights, and connect with potential clients. Remember, you're not just selling properties, you're selling a lifestyle. Attending property exhibitions and real estate networking events is crucial. This is where you'll rub shoulders with industry leaders, connect with potential clients, and get your name out there. So put yourself out there, build genuine connections, and watch your network and your client list grow exponentially. Let me let you in on a little secret. The Dubai real estate market moves fast. New developments pop up overnight, regulations change, and trends shift constantly. To thrive in this dynamic environment, you need to be adaptable, informed, and always one step ahead. So how do you stay ahead of the curve? First and foremost, keep your finger on the pulse of RERA regulations. Subscribe to their newsletters, follow their social media accounts, and make sure you're up to date on any changes that could impact your business. Attend regular training sessions, real estate workshops, and seminars. Not only will this keep your skills sharp, but it's also a fantastic way to network and learn from the best in the business. Embrace the ever-evolving nature of this market, be a lifelong learner, and watch your success soar. Alright, before I let you go, I've got some bonus tips to take your Dubai real estate career from good to unstoppable. These are the things they don't teach you in real estate school, the insider secrets that can make all the difference. First up, find your niche. Are you passionate about luxury villas, commercial spaces, or maybe off-plan properties? Specializing can help you become an expert in a specific area, attracting a targeted clientele and commanding higher fees. Next, remember that in Dubai, presentation is everything. Invest in professional photography for your listings. High-quality photos make a world of difference and can significantly impact your sales. Even a basic understanding of Arabic can give you a competitive edge. And finally, master the art of negotiation. There you have it, my bonus tips for real estate success in Dubai. So, there you have it, your comprehensive guide to becoming a real estate agent in Dubai. The Dubai real estate market is booming, and there's never been a better time to get in on the action. With the right mindset and the information I've shared today, I know you can achieve incredible things. Now go out there, make your mark on the Dubai skyline, and become the real estate mogul you were born to be. And that's a wrap on how to become a real estate agent in Dubai. Be sure to like this video if you found it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more real estate tips, financial advice, and a glimpse into the life of an entrepreneur. Click the link in the description below to download a free guide packed with even more insider tips and resources. Until next time, keep hustling, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video. So you want to be a real estate agent in Dubai? That's awesome. Just remember, like any competitive market, it takes hustle, strategy, and a whole lot of dedication. But the rewards? Those can be life-changing. Think about it. You could be closing deals on multi-million-dollar villas, working with international clients, and building a real estate empire in one of the most dynamic cities on the planet. The more you know about the Dubai market, the better positioned you'll be to succeed. The Dubai real estate market is waiting for you. Go make it yours.